Bottle Gourd of 2021. Steady, go!
Whoa! The skin tastes delicious. Oh my days, Dad, that's it. Some green.
Oh.
That looks.
Oh, that's beautiful. Really nice.
In this video, we are going to be cooking this bad boy. Hello and assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another episode of Grow, Harvest, Cook and Eat 2021 episode 2. If you're new to our channel, I'm Akibullah.
I am Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum. A few days ago, we harvested this amazing looking bottle gourd, and we have another beautiful looking bottle gourd on the plant to be harvested today. How much did this weigh, Akib?
More than 4 kilos.
I think we're just over 4 kilos, and the one we're going to harvest today, I think it's going to weigh just over 5 kilos because it looks fatter than this one.
Yeah, it does.
Now, today is the 11th of June. Now, this season we have showed you how to grow your bottle gourd. We showed you how to care for your bottle gourd. So today we're going to be harvesting a second bottle gourd of 2021, and we'll show you how to cook the bottle gourd. So Akib, what are we cooking today?
Dad, today we are going to be making 3 dishes. 1 meat curry with bottle gourd and 2 vegetarian dishes.
So something for everyone. And are we expecting anyone today?
Dad, you can't have your first bottle gourd without your close family members. My mum has invited my Sasa Sassi, Fufu and one of my khalas and my brothers, and my sister is already here.
So watch the video till the end because it will be quite fun for you.
Let me introduce you to my niece Ilana and my nephew Ilyas. They're going to be helping me harvest the second bottle gourd of 2021. Come on guys, follow us. Come on Ilana.
Okay guys, shall we harvest the second bottle gourd of 2021?
Let's go Dad, let's do this.
Yes, you ready for this?
Yeah.
Ilana, what is this called?
Bottle gourd.
Oh, bottle gourd, good.
Yay!
All
You're
right.
such a smart girl,
Hold
Ilana.
it here, Aki. Hold it.
Ilana, you hold the bottom, make sure you're
Alright, let's not drop this. This is going to be quite heavy actually. This looks fat, doesn't it?
fat. Yes, it does.
The other one would be skinny, taller, but this looks
This
a bit fat.
I have to hold this tight.
Okay, Aki, go on. Have the pleasure.
Ready?
Steady, go! Ooh.
Look at this.
Aki, I think this is heavier.
I was so
This would be over 5 kilos, this one.
kilo, yeah.
Want to hold this in, yes?
Is it heavy?
You want to hold it?
It's
Now,
heavy.
shall we go and cook this?
Let's cook this.
Your mum would have prepared everything, so let's go and cook this before the guests come. So when you're cooking bottle gourd, normally you would peel off the skin to cook your curries with it. But we're going to make an amazing, delicious meal using the skin.
Guys, the skin tastes delicious and is so nutritional. It's packed with health benefits. You're making Bhaji with the bottle gourd skin. Keep it slightly thick, not too thin. Something like this. Keep a little bit on it. Now wash this and chop it up into little pieces.
So we're cooking for about 15 people, and we're using about 3 kilos of meat, lamb meat, yes?
Meat, yeah.
Using vegetable oil, garlic, ginger, onions. When they turn brown, we're going to add the meat, and we'll cook the meat for about half an hour before we add the spices. So okay, the meat's been cooked now, isn't it?
Yeah.
We've been cooking the meat for about half an hour. It's time to add the spices. So the spices we're going to use haldi, zira, dhania, chili powder, and curry powder.
Dad, this is really making me hungry. I just feel like eating right now.
Smells delicious.
Oh my days, Dad, that looks beautiful.
That looks amazing.
Look at the beautiful colours.
Oh my God.
I think it's time to add the buttergourd.
Yes, it's time to add the gourd now. We add the gourd.
That looks mouth-watering, Dad.
Beautiful. So we like chunky pieces of bottle gourd.
Only if you can smell it. This smells so nice, guys. It smells so aromatic. All done. Now we just need patience. Let's make the bhaji. When the oil heats up, add your garlic, onion and some punch prawn. When the onions turn brown, add your spices, some haldi and some curry powder. And some salt for taste. This looks nice and brown. It's time to add the buttergourd skin.
That looks amazing, actually.
I know, Dad, this is going to taste so nice.
It's going to taste delicious.
Now give it a good mix.
And all you need to cook this for about 10-15 minutes, not long. So leave it in low heat for about 10-15 minutes. So for the khodu bhaji, we're going to be using the same recipe that Akif showed you for the bottle skin. Some garlic into oil, onions, some punch prawn, haldi and some curry powder. And some salt for taste. Actually, I'm very excited.
It looks really nice, Dad. 3 delicious meals. It's going to taste really nice. Wow, the curry is done and it looks absolutely beautiful. That looks delicious.
Well, you need to add some coriander, freshly chopped coriander and some green chilies.
Some green.
Oh, the bhaji is done. It looks delicious. So add some chilies and some coriander.
That looks so nice, Dad. Can't wait to try this.
Yes. This one, it's not quite ready yet. You need to cook this one maybe another 5 to 10 minutes and hopefully they should be ready. And you can add some chilies and some coriander in this bhaji as well.
Dad, all these dishes look beautiful. They look so colourful.
Let's hope it tastes delicious.
I just know, I have a good feeling in my heart. It's going to taste absolutely
It's going to
delicious.
taste beautiful.
There we go. Let's set the table. This looks fantastic. I can't wait. My mouth is watering. I'm literally starving right now. Right now, guys. I just want to eat after all that hard work. Let's check out the food that my mum prepared.
Okay, what's that, Akhil? That's
This is dal.
tarka dal. And this is
Fish and
uri. This is one of my favorite.
Yeah, I love them.
And this is the dish we cooked.
The buttergourd skin
With
bhaji.
the bottle skin bhaji. Yeah? It looks delicious.
Yeah.
Guys, you need to try this dish. It's beautiful. And this
The
is our
main
main dish. Meat
Buttergourd.
with lau, yes?
Yeah.
Bangladeshi style. And this is another bhaji that we made with bottle gourd, which is lau bhaji. Okay, and this is fish. I think this is hangla fish.
This is what my mum made.
Yes,
Salad.
salad. So the dish looks amazing. So shall we try some food, Akid?
Yeah, let's try this.
I think the guests are a bit camera shy, so we just have to taste ourselves, okay?
Yeah.
So this is the Bhaji.
It looks really nice.
Oh, that looks
It
delicious.
looks so nice, Dad.
That looks beautiful. Okay, now you get some.
Wow, look at
Let's
this.
see, Bhaji made with gourd.
This looks so beautiful, guys. Look at this. Let's try this. First, I'm gonna try the buttergourd skin bhaji. Some rice. That is delicious. It tastes so nice, guys.
This is a beautiful recipe. I think everyone should try that, and it's got packed with nutrition.
Now I'm gonna try.
Try the big chunk of that bottle gourd.
Got some rice. That is so nice, guys. Unbelievable. This is delicious. Now let's try some bhaji. Buttergourd bhaji. I'm so speechless right now. It tastes delicious, guys. And that tastes so nice.
Beautiful. I'm not saying it's nice just because I made it, but it's amazing. The actual fresh lau cooked with fresh lamb. Fantastic. Let me try some bhaji. Really nice.